Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing a natural glam look. So the first thing we're going to do is our brows. We're going to define and fill in the brow area. Using concealer, we're going to clean up the top and bottom area and blend out. This will give the brow a more sculpted look. Once this is done, we are going to move on to our eyeshadows. Pack on the eyeshadows onto the lid. Using the semi-cut crease method, we are going to carve out the lid area. The colors we want to pop on the lid will be gold and a soft pink tone. Don't forget to blend. Once this is done, clean up any fallen eyeshadow on the face. Then we go on to foundation, highlight, and contour. First thing we're going to do is apply foundation to the face. Then we're going to map out our highlight and contour zones. Blend. Set the face with matte powders. Blend. Yeah, blending is key. Once this is done, we are going to move on to what I like to call the pretty face. This is where we will do our blush, highlighter, and lips. So we're going to take a soft pink tone with a hint of orange and apply it to the cheek area, which is right above the contour. Then using a gold highlighter, we are going to place it right above the blush and blend. Then finally, mixing a pink and peach color, we are going to create this lovely pinky nude lip color and then top it off with a bit of gloss, paired with demi wispy lashes, and then you'll get this final look. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.